Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options because OEM Unlock lives there. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap build number 7 times. Once done, open Developer Options. Make sure USB debugging is enabled so the phone can communicate with your PC. Also verify your battery is at least 30% and that you know the lock screen PIN. You'll need it to confirm changes. Once developer options are visible, locate the OEM unlocking toggle and prepare to change it. You turn off the OEM unlocking toggle directly in developer options so the phone stops allowing bootloader unlocks. Once toggled off, make sure to reboot into fastboot. Either hold power plus volume down or use a DB reboot bootloader from your computer. From the fastboot prompt, issue the appropriate relock command. Use fastboot flashing lock on newer devices or fastboot OEM lock on older ones. This actually relocks the bootloader. Make sure the device shows a locked status before continuing, because that step enforces the change. You finish by verifying the change. In fastboot, run fastboot getvar unlocked and confirm the response shows locked or false. Once verified, reboot normally and test functionality. If the OEM toggle is grayed out, make sure you're signed into the original account on the phone and remove or reapply the screen lock. These conditions can block toggles. If relocking fails repeatedly, back up your data and perform a factory reset from recovery. Then repeat the relock steps. That usually clears persistent state, preventing the toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.